Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to VCM by Tuba Tariq. Joining us today is Ms. Bakhtawar Ali, a civil servant from the 49 Common Training Program, currently serving as an Assistant Commissioner in the Inland Revenue Service and Postage in Karachi. We are pleased to have her with us to share her insights and analysis on tax reforms and their role in strengthening Pakistan's global standing. So my first question for you is, how can tax reforms improve Pakistan's credibility and the trust at the international level? And second question is for you, what role do transparency, digitalization and improved tax compliance play in strengthening Pakistan's global image? And the third and the final question, how do sustainable tax reforms support Pakistan economic diplomacy and long-term integration into the global economy?
Assalamu alaikum. This is Bakhtawar Ali, serving as an Assistant Commissioner Inland Revenue at Corporate Tax Office CTO Karachi. Today I will be highlighting the role of Federal Board of Revenue FBR in promoting and strengthening Pakistan's economic diplomacy. So before moving on to our main topic, I would like to highlight कि economic diplomacy से मतलब क्या है. Economic diplomacy means कि आप अपने economic tools को utilize करते हैं, इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जैसे कि trade है, investment है, aid है, sanctions हैं, ये सारे हमारे economic tools हैं. So कोई भी government जब इन tools को use करती है to achieve our foreign policy, तो उसको हम इकोनॉमिक डिप्लोमेसी कहते हैं. अब इकोनॉमिक डिप्लोमेसी से फर्दर होता क्या है, बेसिकली आपकी फिस्कल हेल्थ इम्प्रूव होती है, आपकी इकोनॉमिक स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ती है, आपके नेशनल इंटरेस्ट्स प्रमोट होते हैं, आपका इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे आपकी एक प्रेस्टीज बनती है. तो मकसद ये है कि फॉरेन पॉलिसी कैन नॉट बी स्टडीड इन आइसोलेशन विद द इकोनॉमिक गोल्स ऑफ अ स्टेट. By economic goals, I mean, for example, trade expansion है या फिर investment की attraction है, financial stability को ensure करना है, economic cooperation at bilateral and multilateral fronts. All of these are economic goals. So, for example, in Pakistan's context, China is investing heavily in Pakistan. We have numerous bilateral agreements with China. Moreover, Pakistan is also effectively engaging with IMF, with World Bank, with ADB. So all of these practices are basically trying to improve the macroeconomic stability in Pakistan. Moreover, if we talk about the role of FBR, पहले तो FBR के mandate देख लेते हैं. FBR का जो mandate है, it is mainly responsible for collecting revenue, which includes income tax, sales tax, federal excise duty and custom duties. Basically, we work under the ambit of Income Tax Ordinance 2001 and Sales Tax Act 1990, of course coupled with other supplementary laws. तो इस ambit में हम काम करते हैं and we are currently focusing on the broadening of tax base, which means including new taxpayers in the tax net by broadening it. And at the same time, we are also trying to document the economy. जितनी आपकी economy ज़्यादा documented होगी, उतनी ही ज़्यादा आपकी transparency बेहतर होगी. So on FBR level, we are taking initiatives and trying our best to work on these areas. Moreover, we have a wing of international taxes at FBR level जो कि engage करता है with international organizations like UN, SAARC, OECD Global Forum, World Bank, etc. So they are in coordination with those intergovernmental organizations. इसके अलावा हमारे डबल टैक्सेशन अवॉइडेंस एग्रीमेंट्स होते हैं जो कि बायलैटरल ट्रीटीज होती हैं एंड विच हेल्प्स इन प्रिवेंटिंग द सेम इनकम फ्रॉम बीइंग टैक्स्ड इन टू कंट्रीज by allocating taxing rights and providing relief mechanism. For example, Pakistan has signed numerous DTAs with countries like UK, USA, China, Turkey, Malaysia, etc. So this also plays a very critical role in strengthening Pakistan's economic diplomacy. Moreover, FBR is actively engaged with the IMF talks, and under IMF extended facility, even the agenda of IMF revolves around economic goals such as broadening of tax base and removing distortive exemptions and further improving tax compliance, which also includes improving tax to GDP ratio. So these are the areas that have also been mentioned and time and again emphasized by IMF in repeatedly meetings.
To sum up, tech reform play a vital role in improving Pakistan's global image and economic credibility. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more insightful discussions with you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.